Today I'm going to show you how to get an entity using AgentBrains in n8n in just a few simple steps. This is a quick workflow setup that helps you select the right AgentBrains action, create a meeting entity, and configure exactly what you want inside n8n without wasting time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more n8n tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open your n8n workflow. On the right side, you'll see the Nodes panel. This is where you can add different tools, integrations, and actions to your automation. From the Nodes panel on the right, choose AgentBrains. Once you select it, add it to your workflow so you can start working with the available options. After the node is added, look for the action or event you want to use. In this case, choose Create a Meeting. This tells AgentBrains that you want to create a meeting entity inside your automation. Next, move into the configuration area. This is where you set up the details for the meeting based on what you want. Fill in the required fields, adjust the values, and make sure the settings match the entity you want to create. If you need specific information included, configure it here so the node knows exactly how to handle the request. Take a moment to review everything before moving on. Make sure the AgentBrains node is selected correctly, the Create a Meeting option is chosen, and the configuration reflects your intended output. Once that's done, your setup is ready to run in n8n. And that's it. You've now learned how to get an entity using AgentBrains in n8n by selecting the node, choosing Create a Meeting, and configuring it to your needs. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick n8n walkthroughs.